Qatar Airways' largest plane is the Airbus A380, which has a tri-class configuration with first business and economy class. The A380 is known for its comfort and efficiency and has one of the world's largest onboard luggage features. Cabin. The A318 has the largest cabin in the industry with extra legroom, reclinable seats, and adjustable headrests. Entertainments. All seats have a personal entertainment screen unit and a USB port. Connectivity. The A380 has onboard Wi-Fi and on-air GSM service. Air quality. The A318 has LED mode lighting, draft-free air circulation, and advanced air filtration. Overhead bins. The A380 has large overhead bins for hand baggage. Qatar Airways maintenance vastly fleet encompassing a wide range of models that perfectly meet the wide demands of global markets while ensuring optimal operational efficiency with our expanding and availing state-of-the-art fleet, including the A350, A380, B777 and B787. We strive to provide our passengers with a comfortable travel experience, featuring the latest on-board eminence technology and service. Browse through our fleet to learn more about the aircraft you will traveling on when you fly with the world best airline. Qatar Airways, the global launch customer and operator of the world's most advanced passenger aircraft, bringing major advantage in fuel efficiency along with unmatched passenger comfort. The A315 is more notable